Good laughter. Okay, hi. In case this is your first time, this is Sang. You are on the fourth lesson. This is the fourth week. So far we have covered ward off, lead, and press. Today we'll be covering push. And the name of the move is called grasp the bird's tail. Tai-Chi begins. First move, ward off. Second move, lead. Third move, press. Move for today, push. Same view, seen from the side. Ward off. Lead. And you only turn up to 45 degrees in this direction. Then turn your waist just slightly. Your arms come down and up. Let them meet in front of your chest. Shift your weight forward. And then turn your waist just slightly to separate your hands. Shift back. Let it settle down to your waist. And then push with your back leg into push. Now, to show the application of push, Joe, if you can help me. Don't be two smiles, man. Okay, so if Joe grabs my hand like this, push basically is where you actually pull the person off the balance base like this. So watch this. So you come in like this, and then from here, watch this, you come in towards the waist, and basically it actually returns the energy to them. Like this. So it's actually best demonstrated the moment that they grab you, as you just saw. So when they grab, right here, you actually go with the grab. You yield to the grab and you pull it slightly in so that the balance falls forward towards you. And as it falls, you actually just launch him off that push. Now, just for the sake of practice, thank you very much. For the sake of practice, I will demonstrate it facing the wall so you can follow me from behind. We will just do 3 moves. Tai-Chi begins. Hold Tai-Chi ball. Ward off. Lead. Press. Push. Shift back. Turn foot. Shift forward. Pull ball. Turn waist. Step out. Ward off. Lead. Press. Push. Shift back. Turn waist. Shift to your left. Pull ball. Step. Ward off. Turn waist. Lead. step back, push, step up, close Tai Chi. Seal Chi into your Dantian. 3 times. And that will be it for this week. We recommend that you practice this, and that you practice this through the week in the same manner, in the zigzagging manner, and then feel free to record yourself and then put it up so that we can correct you. That service is provided to the YouTube, for the Facebook. Okay, enjoy. Thank you.